All right, for our ongoing class, we are learning the 2-5-1 chord progression, 2 minor, in the key of G, an A minor, a D7, and a G. And we're practicing it on 3 songs by ear. And our first song is Mary Had a Little Lamb. And we've already figured out that we're doing this chord substitution over the D7 over the 5th chord. Without the drum, I'm just going to show you, and you can play along with me. 2, 3, 4. Mary had a little lamb. A minor, little D7. Little lamb. Mary had a little lamb whose fleece is white as snow. Let's try it with the drum. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Mary had a little lamb. 2.